Hi, dear Capricorn. How are you guys doing? So, first of all, I'm really very sorry for not being so consistent because I had typhoid. I just felt better to do the video, so I'm doing it. So, this is a general love reading from today till the end of April. So, we will tap into a partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what will be the outcome till the end of April. Okay, so Capricorn, yes. So your partner's energy right now is the King of Wands. I feel like your partner is ready to commit, or they are in a hurry to commit, and they are wearing their sleeve, wearing their heart on their sleeves, and they're not, ready to understand a no from your side, or they're not ready to understand what kind of, condition you are in right now. Maybe you are saying no to them, Capricorn, or they are saying no to you. I don't know what is happening, but one of the partner is very, very physically attracted to the other person. I can see that both of you are very physically attracted to each other right now, but your partner, especially your partner Capricorn, is ready to commit, and they are not understanding the pros and cons of this thing. But right now they are just ready to commit. They are very passionate about you. They are feeling, yes, I need this person in my life, no matter how hard it is going to be, but I need this person in my life right now. Okay, they're not taking the future perspective in mind, to be very honest. And how they see you: Seven of Wands. They see you as somebody who is very adamant, who is standing their ground. Maybe you made some commitment to them, maybe you made something clear to them, and they feel like this is not happening, this is not done. That is why they want to change this situation. That is why they want to change you overall. Or maybe they want to change your energy because they feel like they are deeply attracted to you, they are highly attracted to you, they want you in their life. That is why they might be feeling like, okay, I told this person that I love them, I am very passionate about them, but I feel like you are holding back. Maybe you are holding back, or maybe you are standing your ground, maybe you are wanting some more time from them, and that is why they are behaving like this. That is why they are feeling like, why the hell this Capricorn person is not responding to my way. Okay, they want it their own way, Capricorn, to be very honest. Hmm? And how they see this relationship, how they feel about this relationship is the world. They feel like this relationship is whole and complete. There's nothing missing in this relationship. They feel like, yes, this is the type of relationship they wanted in their life. This is the type of person they want in their life. Right now they are feeling complete in this relationship. Right now they are feeling, yes, this is the type of person I want in my life. I don't know how hard it is going to be in the future. I don't know what kind of consequences I have to face in the future, but right now they are feeling like, you are the right person, you are their family, or you are kind of the person they always wanted in their life, Capricorn. Okay, so what they want from this relationship: this is the Four of Swords. They want a new beginning in this relationship. They want you to don't hold back. They want you to open up. They want you to conversate more. They want you to communicate more. They feel like, no, there is something gap. You maybe they feel like you are holding back a lot, Capricorn, and that is not required, or that is not necessary. Maybe they feel like you are not ready for a relationship right now, or they are feeling like you are holding back a lot from them, you are hiding something from them. I don't know what kind of subconscious fear is going on in their mind, Capricorn, but they feel like they want this relationship to work out eventually. They want this relation. They are I To be very honest, I feel like this person is in a hurry to be in a relationship with you. I don't know why. God knows why. Okay, and the outcome from their side is a Four of Wands. I feel like there is an offer coming towards you from this person about marriage or commitment, or something very long term, and something very passionate and intense. So I feel like this person is going to offer you something very solid by the end of this month, and they are going to make you feel like, yes, you are their prince charming, you are their princess, or whatever the gender is. This is not a gender specific reading. So I feel like this person is going to offer you something very beautiful in terms of commitment and relationship by the end of this month, because they are really crazy about you, to be very honest, passionate about you. I don't feel any kind of cups in this reading. I don't feel the uh, love bonding in this relationship. It is kind of physical. To be honest, this kind of relationship is more on the physical level right now. This is not on the emotional level right now. The commitment and the love is missing, to be very honest, from one partner side, from one partner side, at least. Okay, that is what I wanted to say. Okay, so yeah, so tapping into your energy. Knight of Wands. Your energy is also of physical attraction towards them, to be very honest, Capricorn. you are also very very physically attracted towards them. You are also right now interested in maybe sex only, or maybe having a physical relationship, or just to enjoy the physical relationship with them as much as you can. I feel like you and your person are both on the same page regarding this physical intimacy thing, regarding this physical love thing. I feel like you both the partners, both the parties are right now enjoying each other's company, enjoying each other's body, and enjoying each other's intimate level of sexual pleasure. So to be very honest, I feel like right now you guys are non-committal, especially you, Capricorn, especially you. You are non-committal. You are not in the mood of committing to this person right now, but you are trying to enjoy this physical intimacy. You are enjoying their passion towards you. You are enjoying their love towards you, the passion, the physical love towards you. Okay, and how you see your partner? You see your partner needs to communicate with you openly and honestly. I feel like I feel like you see your partner as somebody who is uh, not communicating on the level that you want them to be. Okay, maybe you want them to open up, or maybe you want this relationship to grow into something very very beautiful, but they are not opening up to that much level that you want them to be. There is a need of open and honest conversation in this relationship from your side. Okay, how you feel about this relationship? You're closed off. You don't know what to do about this relationship. You are completely closed off. You're on the crossroads. Maybe you are in two minds right now. Maybe you are on this level of maybe I should say yes, maybe I should say no, maybe I should just wait for some time, maybe I should just run away from this person because this is making me feel like more of a a burden than a relationship, than a happy relationship. Okay, so right now you feel like closed up in this relationship. Right now you are on the crossroads in this relationship. You are not feeling the happiness in this relationship. You are not feeling cute the cute lovey-dovey things in this relationship, to be very honest. Okay, what do you want from this relationship? The temperance. You want to balance out things in this relationship. You want to balance out the emotional level, the emotional equation between both the parties. You just want to balance out your emotions, your partner's emotions. You are just trying to figure out where this relationship is going, Capricorn. I don't feel like you are confused, but I feel like you both parties are right now more physically attracted towards you, towards each other, then emotional level love, or you can say soulmate connection. I don't feel like this is right now a soulmate connection, but this can change into something very very beautiful in the future, if you give it some time, if you give it some uh, memories to make. What should I say? Just give it some time. Just give it some time. Everything will be fine. The outcome from your side is a page of wands. Again, I feel like you are physically attracted towards this person. You are also ready for a new beginning, but you don't know which way to go. I feel like you are also confused about this relationship's status in the future. Right now, you both are enjoying each other's company. Right now, you both are enjoying each other's talks and conversations and all that bullshit that is going on in between both the parties. But yes, right now this is not the kind of love I feel that have a soulmate connection, or that have a chance to become beautiful marriage in the long term. But right now I feel like you are closed off. You are kind of holding back, and you are kind of taking things slow, but your partner is rushing into something. Okay, this is the energy. The bottom of the deck is in six of cups. I feel like you have a history with this particular person. Maybe you know this person from past. Maybe you know this person from a very long time. Or maybe you know this person from maybe 6, 7 months. I don't know. But you guys have a history together. You guys have so much memories together. You guys have a maybe you guys were friends before this, or you were friends with benefits before this relationship thing was happening. So there is a history between you guys, and the mutual energy for this relationship is the Fool, the Knight of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. This is the sequence: the Fool, the Knight of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. So, the mutual energies, one partner is ready for a new beginning, one partner is like ready for taking all the risk, and they want to take the leap of faith, and the other partner is rushing into everything. They are just rushing into everything. They are making it very, very difficult to understand. They are making it very, very difficult to analyze which way to go, which is the right person, which is the wrong person, which direction is the right direction actually. So one partner is ready to take the leap of faith. They are ready to take the risk with you. The other partner is rushing into everything. They are not ready to analyze them. They are not ready to listen to anything or anybody. They just want this relationship to work out. I don't know why they are so much in hurry. And the third card is the King of Pentacles. But the universe is telling you guys to be stable, to be in a stable relationship. You just have to slow down. You just have to slow down a little bit, because the mutual energy from both the parties, I feel like one is rushing, the other person is also ready to take the risk. But to be very honest, to for this relationship to work out in the long term, you have to slow down. Just slow down. Take it like slowly. Take it like day by day. Don't take it like, okay, just rush into relationship. I love you, you love me too, and just get married soon. No, please don't do that, Capricorn. Take your sweet ass time. And I think this relationship right now is more on physical level. This relationship right now is more on this physical intimacy thing rather than emotional bonding. And I feel like this is kind of friends with benefits kind of relationship right now, to be very honest, Capricorn. Okay. So let's pull three cards from the Love Oracle deck and let's see what's coming for you guys. The past, present, and the near future energy. Okay. I'm sorry. The past is addiction. The codependent, obsession, possession, controlling has a block restraint. I feel like the recent past was like this. I'm so sorry for the mosquitoes if they are coming on the screen. There are a lot of mosquitoes here. I'm sorry, okay? So the addiction is this is the codependent thing. You guys were codependent on each other maybe in the recent past. The present energy is the sunglasses, watching, looking, stalking. Maybe you guys are at a distant distance right now, maybe because of COVID rules, and you guys are watching out each other, maybe through Instagram, Facebook, or social media, different kind of things, FaceTiming each other. And the near future will be the phoenix, new phase, rekindle, renew, transformation, growth. There will be growth in this relationship only if you guys are ready to slow down and take things one day at a time. One day at a time. I think I'm right. Yeah. So it is the main thing is the main advice I want to tell you guys is to slow down. Slow down, just slow down, slow down. Everything will be fine. Everything will fall into place eventually. Don't rush into anything. Just don't rush into this relationship, because it is eventually going to hurt you guys only. Okay. I feel at least one person will suffer like this, if not the other. Okay. So thank you so much for listening, Capricorn, and thank you so much for being so patient with me. Okay, thank you. God bless you. Namaste. Do subscribe to my channel and let me know how can I improve my readings, and do comment in the comment section below so that I can understand. I should know that yes, this reading is resonating with you or not. Namaste.